form to you, and then with the class code, please fill out the attendance form for each of you. You need to fill out, okay? Because I need to update in the uh, intranet, okay? Okay, I have shared the links to you. Please fill out the attendance form now. Okay, I will give you about 5 to 10 minutes to fill out. I hope all can fill now. Incorrect code. Um, okay, uh, let me do some adjustment here. Okay, please try now. Should be no problem. There are four more students haven't filled up the form. Okay, please help to fill up now. I will start the class only after all the attendance has taken. Okay, our class supposed to have 29 students. So in the attendance form, I see that only 27. So means two more students haven't filled up the form. I'm not sure who haven't filled up the form. Okay, I'm checking now. Okay, while waiting, for others, you can go to Google Classroom. You try to look for the lecture notes. Okay, I have uploaded the lecture notes for chapter one. This morning, I have uploaded the one of the notes, the latest one, in this morning. So for those who didn't check out, you may check it out. Check it out now. Okay, so I will start the class now. Okay, I still see that there are one more students. Okay, I could not see who is the one that haven't filled up. Liz, okay. Is he here? Okay, it's not here. I see that from my screen. Okay, never mind. Okay, maybe he is late. Okay, okay, so we just start the class. Okay, give me a while. Okay, today's is a lecture class. Okay, 1 hour lecture class for BTEE 4033 integrated circuit. Okay, my name is Ding Lian Zi. Okay, I am your lecturers for this course. Okay, and today, this 1 hour lecture class, I will briefly introduce to you to this course. Uh, I will explain about what are the CLO, the course learning outcome. Okay, and then the course assessment and the syllabus and what are the textbook that will be recommended to you. Okay, if I can cover all this and then I still have time, then I will continue with the chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1 is about introductions to VLSI design. Okay, if I didn't have time, if I don't have time later, then I will just continue on Wednesday. We still have another 2 hours of lecture class on Wednesday. Okay, if you cannot hear me, please let me know because I know that sometimes through the through online classes, you may not hear me clearly. If my voice is too low, okay, you need to let me know. Okay, let's have a look on on the course learning outcome. Okay, for this course, there are 3 course learning outcome. Okay, so these are the course learning outcome as you can see from the screen. Okay, this course learning outcome is the learning outcome that you have to achieve upon the completions of this course. Okay, the first one is students should be able so to design integrated circuit layout with appropriate designs, rules, and techniques. Okay, so this is to assess your design skills in integrated circuit layout. Okay, C5 is a C level 5. Okay, is to evaluate and assess your design skills. Okay, using the software. Okay, the software that you need to use is electric software. Okay, electric VLSI software. This software is a open source software. Okay, you use it before. Okay, you use it before in your year 4 sem 1. Okay, in microelectronics. Okay, so please make sure that you still have the software installed in your computer. Okay, because you will need it for your lab. Okay, and then another CLO is a CLO2. Okay, this CLO2 is to evaluate the performance of integrated circuit design based on technology files for fabrications. Okay, this is also one of the CLO to assess your evaluations and analysis skills. Okay, when you do the design. Okay, usually after you design the IC, then you need to evaluate okay the performance and then the operations of the circuit that you design in the that you design in the uh, in use when you design using the electric VLSI software. Okay, so C6 means this is about the investigations. Okay, how you investigate the performance of the IC design. Okay, and the CLO3 is to is to verify integrated circuit design for fabrications using CAD tools. Okay, the CAD tools here refers to the electric VLSI design. This is about to evaluate your practical skills because this is before. Okay, so I will evaluate your practical skills. Okay, through observations, and also I will get the feedback from other course mate um, for the how skillful you can use the electric VLSI software. Okay, so these are the assessments that I will make. Okay, and other than lab, okay, there will be assignment, okay, and final exam. So all these CLOs will be assessed in all these coursework and final exams. Okay, the credit hour for this course is 3. Okay, the total hours is, as you can see here, the lecture hours is 42, tutorial is 7 hours, okay, practicals is 8 hours. Okay, this is for 14 weeks. Okay, 14 weeks. And every week we have 3 hours lectures. Okay, the 3 hours lectures is on Monday. Monday is 1 hour and Wednesday is 2 hours. Okay, and then for tutorial is 1 hour. Every week we have tutorial but with different group. Okay, for examples, this week is odd week is the first week. Okay, so this should be group one. Okay, group one will be having the tutorial, and then second week will be group two. Okay, okay, but for this week first week, normally I will not have tutorial. Okay, uh, I will make a replacement class later. Okay, for group one, for this tutorial. Okay, so alternate. So each of you will only have 7 hours of tutorials for 14 weeks. Okay, I'm not sure the timetable that you get. Can you see all the timetable? Okay, if the weeks is not mentioned there, I want to make clear here. Okay, for all of you, the tutorial is only 7 weeks. Okay, and then for practicals. Okay, for practicals, they are 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours here is not every week. Okay, 2 hours is not every week. The practicals is only 8 hours. Okay, later I will show you the syllabus to show you uh, the practical is 8 hours. Okay, it's not every week. Okay, normally we will have the practicals 2 hours in a week. Okay, so that's mean that our lab, your lab, okay, your lab will be having from week 3 until week 6. Okay, week 3 until week 6, this is 4 weeks only. Okay, 4 weeks practicals, each week is 8 hours. Sorry, total 4 weeks. So 4 weeks means that 8 hours in total. Then each week is 2 hours. Okay. So the practicals here is Monday. Monday they are Monday 2:30 to 4:30. Okay, and then Wednesday 4 to 6. Okay. So there are two practical hour here in a week. Okay. From what I normally, how I normally conduct it is 2 hours per week. So means that the these two time slot is for two group. Okay, group one and group two. Okay, why I mentioned here practicals is at hour. Okay, I should show you this. Okay, I am not sure so whether you are aware of this. I have uploaded this to intranet, but I did not know whether you all get it or whether you check it or not. Okay, according to the syllabus here, as you see, okay, the practicals, okay, practical here is 8 hours as stated here. Okay, tutorial 7, lecture is 42. Okay, that's why the according to the slide just now I show you, okay, the practicals is 8 hours. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. You can post your questions in the chat box, or you can ask me after I finish this. Okay, course syllabus. This is the topics that will be covered. Okay, during these 14 weeks for this course. Okay, so these are the chapters. Okay, the chapters with some other subtopics. Okay, I didn't list out all the subtopics here. Okay, but this is for all of you to know what will be covered for this course in this SEM. Okay, so this is the first chapters, introductions to VLSI design. Okay, normally this first chapters is an overview of VLSI design. Okay, and others that is related to VLSI. Okay, VLSI, there is a VLSI design flow. Okay, and then the VLSI design style, and what is the evolutions of the VLSI systems, okay, with the chips. Okay, and the second chapter so will be CMOS fabrication process and layout design rules. Okay, uh, this one is important. Okay, so you will also need to learn. Okay, and the logic to CMOS layout. Logic to CMOS layout is about how to convert the logic Boolean expressions to a IC layout design. Okay, you will learn this. Okay, this tool is important because you will need to apply them in your lab and assignment. Okay, a lab menu will be given to you later in week 2. I will give you in week 2 after the coursework has been moderated. Then I will give you and upload it to you, and then you can know what you will need to do for your lab and assignment. Okay, okay, for lab I will upload the lab menu first. Okay, later only I will upload the assignments. Most likely I will give you maybe week 5 or week 6, but depends. Okay, depends on when I can complete the moderations with other lecturers. Okay. Okay, and so this is a chapter 2, chapter 3, and then the next chapter, chapter 4, is about introductions to H spines and simulations. Okay, H spines is the circuit simulations. Okay, this one you will also apply it in your electric VLSI design. Okay, so there will be an introductions on this. Okay, and then the chapter 5 is about static CMOS inverter. Okay, static CMOS inverters will cover about the voltage characteristics. Okay, voltage current characteristics. Okay, and then the some of the theory. Okay, some of the theory that you all need to apply. Okay, to evaluate the design of a CMOS inverter. Okay, and then the next one is interconnects wires, capacitance and resistance. Okay, so in an IC design, they are wires. Okay, these wires we call them as layers. Okay, metal layers. So all the metal layers, they are fabricated on a silicon substrate. They have capacitance and resistance. Okay, so all of these characteristics will be described. Okay, in this topic. Okay, and then the next one is strategies for low power design in VLSI design. Okay, this one is about why there is a need of low power design, and then how to achieve a low power design in VLSI design. Okay, okay. The last chapters is transistor level circuits. In short, we call it TTLs. Okay, TTL circuit. Okay, this one is about using another transistors, for example, bipolar transistors. That is, we call it BJT. Okay, I also will describe it in these chapters. Okay, so overall, this is the chapters that I will be covered. Okay, maybe there's additional topics that I will add into the chapters. Okay, into this. Okay, but that depends on how fast I can cover in the lectures. Okay. Okay, now I goes to the course assessment. Okay, so this is the most important one for all of you to know. Okay, so as you see that in this table, the assessments here, they are coursework. Okay, they are coursework and final exam. Okay, the weighting is coursework is 40%, final exam is 60%. Okay, for coursework, they are lab report and lab-based assignments. Okay, it means that you need to submit a lab report and a lab-based assignment. Okay, lab-based assignments will be 20%. Okay, and lab-based assignments will contribute 20%. Okay, so this 2020 will be 40%. Okay, and as you see that for lab report, the week of submissions is in week 7. Okay, and for lab-based assignments, the week of submissions is in week 10. Okay, um, okay, the lab that you all will be having is from week 3 to week 6. I will expect that you make use of the time during lab hour to do your lab. Then you will be able to submit your report in week 7. Okay, I know that all of you have final year project. Okay, so you need to arrange your time. If you can make use of the lab hours to do your lab, I think for submitting this lab report, it will not take much of your time to complete. Okay, so this week of these submissions, the deadline here, I haven't determined the date, okay, but it will be in week 7. Okay, so you need to mark down this, okay, in your timetable, okay, so that you know, okay, which week you will be busy, which week you need to submit report and assignment. Okay, and then for assignment, it will be in week 10. Okay, that is uh, before you submit your draft thesis. Okay, I hope to make this before okay, I hope to make this I hope you all to submit this earlier. Okay, and then you can have your time to do your FYP. Okay, so but anyhow, okay, this is the usual submissions weeks that I will ask students to submit. Okay, it will be in weeks 10. Okay, and then final exam. So this is final exam 60%. So 100. So I think you can understand all this. Okay, so I goes to the next one. Is about consultations hour. Okay, consultations hour, as stated here, Tuesday and Friday. Okay, these 2 days from 10 to 12 p.m. Okay, I will be available. Okay, so if you have anything, then you can text me, email me. Okay, if you want to see me, then you have to let me know earlier. Okay, so that I can arrange to see whether I can make it to see you in campus. Okay, and then in case if any one of you need to see me in campus, then you can see me in my office. Okay, my office room is in block A. Okay, block A 008D. Okay, so this one I think should be no issue. Okay, so now I uh, goes to this about okay, this is the class code. Okay, so since I have already invite all of you in to this Google Classroom, okay, so this one is you will not need this to do anything. Okay, okay, any others materials like tutorial, lab menu, assignments, all these, you can directly find in the Google Classroom. Okay, I have a few textbook, okay, to recommend. Okay, these are the textbooks, the main textbooks, okay, the latest one, okay, which I can find. Okay, these are the two textbooks that is um, uh, I think is okay. This one is quite useful. Okay, this one is useful a circuit and system perspective. Okay, and this one you can go to have a look. The second one, okay. Okay, the textbook that I recommend to you maybe is not suitable for all. Okay, you can look for others reference books which you find can understand easily. Okay, some of the books maybe you find it hard to understand, but it is okay. Okay, you can use others books as your reference book. Okay, this is just for recommendations. Okay, there are others additional reference. Okay, these are the additional references. Okay, and other than that, here there are two more books. Okay, this is the ebook. Okay, these two books you can actually get it from the library. Okay, and then you can borrow it. Okay, not in a book, not in hard copy. Okay, what I mean is it is not in hard copy because it is ebook. Okay, you can actually open it using the Adobe. Okay, this is the digital versions one. Okay, this tool is also recommends. Okay, you can go to find out and then you have a look. Okay, that is all about the introductions to the course. Okay, before I start the new chapters, okay, I want to know, sir, is there any questions from you? Okay, okay, seems like all clear, all no question from all of you. Okay, I see that we still have 15 minutes here. Okay, I think I will just start the new chapters on Wednesday. Okay. Okay. I will end the class early, but not now. Okay. I still have one more things that I want to discuss with you. Okay. It is about the mood of uh, uh, okay, what I want to say is, I see that you all have taken the survey to whether uh, to have the online or face-to-face class. Okay, so I get the result. Okay, I can see that most of you want to have online class. Okay, and then there are only a few students want to have face-to-face. Okay, so I am thinking to ask whether the few students that want to have face-to-face class, whether you can consider to have online class. Okay, is it okay to have online classes? Okay, maybe I show you the results. Okay, this result is actually all all the survey that is gathered from all of you. Okay, so you can now see the results. Okay, so almost all are agree with online classes. Okay, this is for group one. Okay, Chu Chang Heng, Chua Yu Yang, now Lok Jing is okay with online class. Okay, so this one I will take note. Okay, and then Lim Yong Chuan and Lo Tiong Lei. Okay, so this is a five. Okay, five of you want to have a face to face. Case other is online. Okay, if you really cannot cope with online classes, I will see what I can do. Okay, but since just a few of you want to have face to face, so I want to make it easy. I actually hope that I can make it online throughout the semester. Okay, Zhang Heng. Okay, Zhang Heng, you are okay with online classes. Okay, Jonglei is okay. Okay, how about Chua Yu Yang and Lim Yong Chuan?
Yes, we have another group, right? I mean, this one is a group one and group two. And group two, I believe some of them also want to face to face. And so I just wanted to ask, is it possible, like, when back to we come back to campus, then all the face to face students they wanted to face to face one to make it into a group, then online another group, so that face to face they have their own group and online.
Uh, okay. Chi, I'm trying to get what you say here because I cannot hear you clearly. It's quite blur here. I cannot hear. Okay, but from what you are saying, I'm trying to get. You are saying uh, is it okay to have another group for online and another group for face to face? Is it?
Yeah, sorry. Just now my mic got problem. Just like make it all the student they want to physical class one, they make it into one group. Then online student that prefer online class, make them into one group.
Okay. Uh, all right. I will try on that. I Yeah. Okay. So you suggest that way. I also possible. So I can try it that way, but I still need to check. Some of you whether it's okay to have the online. Okay. If there are still others of you that still prefer face to face, I will try to make it uh, with one group of having the face to face classes. Okay, the thing now is if I am going to have a face-to-face classes, that also means that during the classes, then I will also need to do the class online together on that day. Okay, yeah, live stream. Okay, so that is what uh, we plan. Okay, for having online classes and face to face all together on the same date and on the same day and same time. Okay, using the cameras to capture what is taught in the class. Okay, to the students for online one. Okay, okay, so I will check uh, with all of you first. Okay, for the face-to-face classes for students who want to have face-to-face class, I want to double check with you first. Okay, if some of you still want to have a face-to-face, then I will arrange it. I will try to arrange it. Okay, so there is another group. Okay, so this is another group, group two. Okay, they are four students. Okay, want to have a face to face. Okay, Pang Xuewen, So Yang Chang, Wong Ka Sing, and okay, Jie also want to face to face. Okay, so if I total up here six, this is 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, six students want to have face to face. Okay, okay, I do the estimations 6 to 10. Okay, 10 something. Okay, means less than 15. Okay, less than 15 students, then should be okay to have face to face. Less than 10 also, okay, that is less than 10. Okay, then should be okay. Okay, so Yang Chang is okay with online class. Okay, so okay, if to have the face-to-face classes, then it will only be start from week 5. Okay, it's week 5. Okay, because UC only allow us to go back to UC after February of 14. Okay, that is after Chinese New Year. So I will arrange it. I will try to arrange it um, for face to face. So okay, I want to know, is that means that all of you for those, okay, for those students want to have face to face classes. So are you local or you all going to travel? Jie, Jie, you are local, is it?
No, actually not.
I'm sorry. Okay, so you confirm. Okay, you prefer face to face. You are not going to change to online class, is it?
Yeah, actually, before this, when faculty during faculty do the survey form, then when the announcement, the memo out, then they said, since the name list already out, so you can't change it. That means if you choose face to face, then you have to face, can't change it. So during that time, I already rent the room at KL area. So I
Okay.
mean, most of us are my friends also. They also choose a face to face. Then thought during that time thought can't change so we rent a room there and pay for it. That's why.
Oh, so you are going to travels to come to KL here?
Yes, after Chinese New Year.
Okay, okay. I understand and take note of that. And you all of you have make the arrangements. Then I will try my best to arrange it here. Okay, and I think should be no problem. Okay, I hope I can make it two at the same time. Okay, because this is my first time to have the face to face and online class together. Okay, I'm not going. I don't know how to set up, but I think okay, I'm going to find out that later. Okay. Okay. I think so far I don't have any more matters to discuss. Okay. Before we end the class, is there any more questions? If no, I think then we can dismiss the class now. Okay. I will see you again on Wednesday. Okay. Thank you to all of you.